Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. In today's video we'll be doing a pedicure with an acrylic toenail. So since I do have a couple of pedicure videos on my channel already, I'll just let you all watch this pedicure process, and once it's time to do the acrylic toenail, I'll tune back in to explain how I do it. Enjoy the rest of the video and I'll tune back in a bit. Now that the client's toes are cleaned and prepped, it's time to add the acrylic toenail. So the first step is to cleanse the nail and add primer. Now I'm going in with a bead that will cover the bottom half of her toenail. My goal here is to sculpt the free edge of the nail first. I also want to blend the bead into the nail plate as much as possible. So this way, when I add the second bead that will be closer to the cuticle area, it'll blend smoothly on the nail and it won't create a big lump on her toenail. Going in with the second bead, I'll be applying this bead closer to the cuticle area and blend down toward the free edge. For acrylic toes, you don't need too much acrylic. In this case, the client wanted a natural looking square toe to match the toe on her other foot, so I only needed 2 beads. Once the acrylic has cured, I'll use the hand file to shape the toenail. Next, I'll go on with the sanding band to smooth out the nail, and after that, I'll use my diamond prep bit to exfoliate her sidewalls and blend the acrylic into the cuticle area. But that's it for today's video. I hope you found this information useful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!